What is your reaction to seeing this oncoming video? Maybe it's confusion or disbelief. I mean, how couldn't it be? Like, Meow's whole account is about disrespecting Islam and Christianity. And what if I tell you, instead of reading the Quran, Meow whipped out her bare ass and started pissing on it? I mean, I can't show the video, even if the YouTube wouldn't go like, age restrict this right now! The foxes behind Twitter didn't let me see it because I'm 14 and like it was age restricted to like 18 plus. I think Allah and Jesus is just living rent free in Meow's head. What is Meow's obsession with them? I think Meow has the same obsession I have on Mustafa song. Mustafa, Mustafa! Also, according to Bella the Wolf, by a video she later took down, that Meow made little kids put initials on their body with the blades. I mean, Bella can also be lying because she's a greedy bitch that wants the attention all for herself. And she said Meow loves kids a little bit too much. Like another celebrity.
Who's your celebrity crush? Oh. David knows it, so I guess it's not a bad thing to say. Nick Jonas. Good looking before it was kind of allowed to think he was good looking, which was a bit of a problem. You kind of had to wait.
But at least Neil is respectful, except for Amy Winehouse and trans people. What can I say? At least he doesn't make fun of Muslims and Christians and everyone else. I think that we all can agree that if Meowbahh would have made Meow's religion only on Meowism and not making fun of other religions, we wouldn't have such a big problem with it. But no, Meowbahh had to make Meow's religion all about hating on others. And apparently she made fun of black people with this video. At this point, I'm not even surprised. What next? Fascism? I mean, we can't hate on Meow because Meow is transracial. And, RCTA, or how is that shit called? I mean, I don't care enough. I mean, that's all I gotta say. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like or even subscribe to my channel. I will be very thankful. Anyways, guys, goodbye.